In this video, we're going to cover how to wash a duvet properly. A dirty duvet can harbor dust mites, sweat, and oils from our bodies, which can lead to allergies and an unpleasant sleeping experience. Regular washing helps to eliminate these allergens and keeps your duvet smelling fresh and feeling cozy, making your bed a more comfortable place to rest. To wash your duvet, gather the following supplies: a mild detergent, dryer balls or clean tennis balls, a large capacity washing machine, and a dryer. If you don't have a large washer at home, consider using a laundromat with an industrial-sized washer. Be sure to check the care label on your duvet for specific washing instructions before you start. Begin by inspecting the duvet for any stains or spots. If you find any, pre-treat them with a small amount of mild detergent or a stain remover, applying it directly to the stained area. Gently rub the solution into the fabric and let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. This helps to lift stains during the wash cycle. Place the duvet loosely in the washing machine, ensuring it has enough space to move around freely during the wash. Select a gentle cycle with cold or warm water, depending on the care label's recommendations. Add a small amount of mild detergent. Using too much can make it difficult to rinse out, leaving residue behind. To keep the filling of your duvet evenly distributed during the drying process, use dryer balls or clean tennis balls. These help to break up clumps in the filling, maintaining the loft and fluffiness of your duvet as it dries. Transfer the washed duvet to the dryer and set it to a low heat or air dry setting. Low heat helps prevent shrinkage and damage to the fabric. Add the dryer balls or tennis balls to help keep the filling from clumping. Drying a duvet can take several hours, so be patient and check periodically to ensure even drying. Once the duvet is mostly dry, remove it from the dryer and give it a good shake to redistribute the filling. Hang it in a well-ventilated area or outside on a clothesline for a few hours to finish drying completely. This step ensures that any remaining moisture is evaporated, preventing mold and mildew from forming inside the filling. After the duvet is completely dry, give it a final fluff and place it back inside its duvet cover if you use one. If you notice any lingering odors, you can sprinkle a bit of baking soda on the duvet and vacuum it off after letting it sit for about 15 minutes. This helps to keep your duvet smelling fresh between washes. By following these steps, you can maintain your duvet's softness and warmth while ensuring it stays in excellent condition for years to come. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful cleaning tips and home care advice. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.